everybody, welcome to the channel. Hey, I know I haven't been uploading a lot of videos or posting a lot of videos lately. The weather has just been cruddy here. It's been a lot of fun. The weather hasn't been good to go out and just do driving or anything like that. So I figured rather than just posting videos for the sake of posting videos, I don't want to waste everybody's time. So anyway, that's where I've been. So we are today, actually it is a fairly decent day out there, but had some bad storms roll through this morning. What we're going to do today is we're actually going to replace the shift knob in the C6. So I've got a new shifter, I'll show you that in a second. But what we're looking to do here is remove the stock one. I've got a ball shifter that I'll show you there. A couple of reasons. One, I've never been a fan of how GM does the shifter. I mean, it's okay, but I've just never been a big fan of it. I prefer a ball on there. The second thing is actually what you'll do is you'll realize a little bit of the benefit of being almost like a short throw shifter without spending all the money on an MGW or something like that. So I did this on the C5 and I liked it. I mean, it really shortened it up a lot. The shifter, it's a little loose, but it's not too bad right now. So I think we'll go ahead and just do this mod, and we'll look at replacing the shifter, the whole shifter in the future. What we'll do here first is we're just going to take a look and see how tall this is. I'll kind of give you an idea of how much this will shorten this up. So right now, this thing's about 4 3/4, I guess, to the top of the shifter. So we'll get this thing out and see what that looks like. What I've read on this is that you just take this ring, turn it counterclockwise, and you have to push up or push down on it, then it'll release it down. And there's a T25 Torx bit in here, so what we'll do is we'll see what we can do. I got a little can opener, or jar opener thing, so see if it'll help me get on it. All right, well that was much easier than expected. So I'll get my Torx bit. We'll get this thing off real quick. So we'll get this guy out. So we'll see if the rest of this goes according to plan. Alright, so that's the stock one coming out. And then I ordered this ball shifter from Twisted Shifters, and this is super nice. It's laser engraved, really nice piece. So we'll get this guy installed, and I'll show you what it looks like here when we get it on the car. They gave us a new set screw, so go ahead and get that put in. And it's a smaller size, so I think what I'll do is I'll see if the stock one will fit back in there. Nope. Alright, so I gotta get another size Torx bit for that. So the one that came from Twisted Shifters is a T15, so T25 to take off the stock one, and T15 to put this new one on. I'm not quite sure what the setup is here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Thought that looked like it was a little high. Okay, so you really have to push that guy down to get down to the set. Mine did not come with instructions, and I wish it would have, because this would have been helpful. Okay, I've got that tightened up. We will attempt, oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Looks like that's in, so you can see it is a little shorter. We'll go ahead and get the camera over here so you can get a little better angle on it. All right, so here you can see the finished product. You can see the shifter ball has the Superman logo on it, laser etched in there, super nice. So we'll go ahead and just kind of see what we get for a gain, I guess, from being able to drop this thing down. It's a little bit of a short shifter hack, I guess I'll call it, for lack of a better term. You know, so not as much as I would have guessed. About 4.5. Versus what it was prior, which I think was, like I said, it was 4 3/4, you know, 4 7/8. Not as much. Boy, it sure seems lower. Obviously, doesn't replace a full-on short throw shifter, but I think for right now we'll go with this. It'll be in good shape, and then we'll go swap out. You know, we'll do that at some point. And then what we'll do is also kind of give you a little bit of an update on what we've been doing on the car. The weather's been kind of cruddy, but I haven't filmed a lot of this because I'm trying to learn as we go. And that's a little difficult. So what we've done, as you can see, I put a carbon fiber wrap on the hood. That was a challenge. I mean, I watched a ton of videos on it. That's a technique that requires a lot of work. So those guys definitely are worth the money you spend to have it done. But I like the looks of it. So next we're gonna do the top in carbon fiber, and we'll do the halo in carbon fiber. I got some more wrap coming, so we'll get that done. It'll be pretty cool. And then also put clear brass, put a half mask on the front of the car. So we got the nose and the fenders done. I didn't mess with the hood, obviously, so I was putting the carbon wrap on there. But we did some paint protective film on that, so that worked out pretty well. So yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Like I said, the weather's been kind of cruddy, and just haven't really been able to get out and drive the car much. So those are the updates for the C6. Shifter knob, I love it. Twisted Shifters is a great place. I'll put the link down below. They got some really cool products and some neat shifter designs. So if you're looking for a knob, shifter knob, go ahead and check those guys out. And we will talk to you later. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.